Akenya ni matigitwo na ciuria thutha wa kuona DJ Stylus uria makoretwo matekumuona kuma riria abutirwo wira ceceni-ini ya TV ya Kameme. Chris augite maundu make mahanie ta mathuka hindi ya murimo wa corona. Aritie uriri agwitagira mashabiki na arata ake igongona riake ria gukungwira miaka 15 ya wira wake wa DJ. Akenya mwena wa comment section makorwo makiyumiria na magakorwo makiumiria mundu ugwitwo DJ Stylus makorwo makiugo na kuingasha kwa it's not all about death in the wilderness. God shall repay and fulfill his innermost desire. Na sayari bogwa kwa Akenya tuonagirwo maundu ni tuonagira maundu DJ Stylus Ngai ekuo ni gukuringira ke kana gukorwo agikunyitirira mwaka wa 2025 is your year of connection, but don't forget God who will raise you again. Men na mso antoka mundu meno wa mirurumo mugwanja agwa agiukagira ndagakue ngoro na miri ngugi akaga ni anegenagia muno we watwirire mbeca cia kanya ni urimo ati money or box na ese dishoka he raise again. This is the one the celebrity wa hapo mbele bila maringo at least alikuwa na reply comments na sapire kwa wa Mungu atamuinua tena na Tony wa Modhonia ikorwa kiandiko Pako Entertainment rise again na kama Jonteza kwa all be well na karom mombi akawate wetiga kwa one thing I know he rise again through Christ who strengthens us. I always tell people please be kind always to everyone. Sometimes we fight battles silently with no one knowing what you are going through. God restores na terijaka kwa mahana tali ado eri goranima mahana tari ado eri goranima na beki hwaba otige akawa no ekorogama na Tresia Muthoni ko it's your time to shine DJ Stylus na suga thogo akauga niedete. I love Chris, you're very humble with a very kind big heart. I pray that he rises again and beat all odds. Na Viki Mugeko God's grace is still sufficient. Na John wa afya annex akao okoro oriaga withi mundu ni okoro agifaga igireka muthitho hindi riria kiri mwithi niguo ukoro wake ndukana twike kigio kuri andu na Miri Muthoni akagutire hiuraga na ndikiema na Beatrice kogia ko he rise again na Waithax Benja akawa nema gutire kindu nditigirite ta ini liver hata marafiki hukuhepa you back on your feet again. Mudurume na makuwa na Mariuka na Jogona moya ka mudurume agwa na agokira. Karibu sana bwana DJ na Shimonika kawagaine naga rege ndogakue ngoro na Remus mwawirwa kauga mudurume ni ari makua na Mariuka no egukira maya Ngai o muturire Ngai agucerere ari agicerera ari agi ndukana muhituke ona nie ndukariganirwo ninie na Zack Bonoko keia kauga handu rwirwa nagera na ongerucenjia njira no rukauna na rucoke njira yaruo na Anna Waisia kauga God will raise you again Stylus na kairetu kawa njira DJ Stylus has been a lot of me. God bless him for the good work he did. He's been a blessing to many. Ne ukarigero rege ne kokoro kerigero kia marige na Simon Gates akawa and we should celebrate him. You human beings should not only celebrate mtu alikufa, let's learn from that. Na Nyabura Murithia ka we serve a faithful God na Remues wawero akakora kwa mudume ni ari makwa na Mariuka na Karangu Muraya ka he rise again na PK Karite original ka our God is God of many chances na Damaris Jerry Chege ka do not gloat at me my enemies because when I fall I rise again. And as I did this man is very humble and supportive when it comes to use may he bounce back again. Goko no kwa mwagi wa Mohoro inogoho na gitio kinene wetekere gukorwo subscribe thini wa channel ino itu nigetha tugaikorwo tuikinya rimwe mbere gukorwo tugikurehera maria maraikorwo makihanika goko nenda-ini cio kinyaniria nginya muthenya ungi gitagwo mwagi wa Mohoro. Ririkana gukorwo gituforo mwena wa TikTok itu ya mwagi wa Mohoro ukorwo gihinya ka plus button ka ukeha ugikorwo gituforo ukorwo share video itu na ukorwo comment nigetha tugaikorwo tuikinya rimwe mbere.